Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and welcome to the Florence. .545 West End Avenue in the heart of the Upper West Side, located on 86th Street and West End. Like many of the iconic pre-war distinctive architecturally appointed buildings, 545 is no different. And you're sitting in apartment 4A, which sits pretty in pink on a southeast corner. Entering into your southeast corner 7-room home, housing 3 bedrooms and a 4th actual flexible bedroom as well. You have architectural views that are beautiful to enjoy on the outside, but on the inside, the attention to details on the renovation is to no end. The primary bedroom has been completely reconfigured to enjoy maximum storage, completely built in so that minimal furniture is needed. Okay guys, that's a wrap. It's Louise Phillips Forbes waiting for you to call me about 545 West End Avenue because it could be yours.